Welcome to CL Programming. In this video series, we will learn about Python programming language, and this is the first tutorial in this series. In this video, we learn about the history of Python, why Python, where we use Python. First, we have to know about what is the program. Program, it means group of instructions. Group of instructions is called program. Actually, for speaking, we have so many languages. Those are Telugu, Hindi, English, Kannada, and etc. Like that, we have some programming language that computer to machine understanding languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and some of like that. For programming, we are using Python in this series. So Python program generally it is a general purpose, that is we use it to develop different softwares. So now we will see about what is the history of Python. It was created by Guido van Rossum. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in early 1990. It was created by Guido van Rossum in early 1990, and the name Python came from one of the most popular show. Guido van Rossum in early 1990, and the Python came from one of the most popular show, Monty Python Flying Circus. It is the most popular show, Monty Python Flying Circus. In Python, there are different versions. For Python 1.0 was released in 1994 Jan. Python 1.0 was released in 1994 Jan, and Python 2.0 was released in 2000 October. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 October, and Python 3.0 was released in 2008 December. We are using Python 3.0, and this is new version. All are we using Python 3.0. Generally, Python is a high level language because it looks like a English and we can easily understand. And now we will see why Python. As I said, Python is a high level language. It is a beginner friendly language. It is a beginner friendly language. If you are a beginner, it is the best language to start with your programming series because Python is a very easy to understand. It is a easy to understand. As I said, Python is a high level language. So it reads like a English. So syntax will be very easy in this language. So it is easy to understand. So it is easy to understand. Now next it is easy to maintain as well as it is easy to portable language. It is very portable. What is the meaning of portable? Portable Portable is nothing but we can run this code in a variety of hardware platforms. We can run this code in different hardware platforms. And now we will see about where we use Python. Where we use Python. Python is one of the most popular language. It can be used for backend web development, data analysis, we can build by using AI and scientific computing. AI means artificial intelligence. We can use Python for artificial intelligence and for data analysis, and we can build by using games, desktop apps, and 3D graphics, and we can create GUIs. That means GUIs means stands for graphical user interface. So in this we use Python programming language. So this is the introduction of Python programming language, history, why Python, and where we use Python. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like the channel if you like this video. I will meet you in the next class. In next class we will see about download and installing Python. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel.